If you don't follow UTV desert racing, you may not be familiar with Tensor Tires. They've been designing and building UTV race tires and sand tires since 2013. With numerous Baja and Dakar wins under their belt, Tensor has solidified itself as one of the go-to brands for off-road racing and dune riding scenarios with a lineup of 5 different tire models. Today they're releasing a new tire, the Regulator 2, which is focused more on the high-performance recreational rider. Now, as you may have guessed, the Regulator 2 is an evolved version of Tensor's other all-terrain tire, the Regulator. The Regulator is a heavy-duty steel-belted radial tire designed to withstand the harshest terrain. Tensor wanted a tire that would be lighter, more forgiving, and more versatile, so they combined the best aspects of the original Regulator and their DSR race tire to make the Regulator 2. Starting with its carcass, the Regulator 2 is actually pretty unique in the side-by-side tire industry because it's bias ply instead of radial ply, and because it uses nylon belts instead of steel. These two design elements allow for a strong tire that can withstand abuse but also remain surprisingly light. Now you might be asking yourself, why is a lighter weight tire important? First, it reduces unsprung weight. This improves suspension performance and durability. Second, a heavy tire has more rotating mass and therefore requires more power to get it rolling and keep it rolling. Excessively heavy tires make acceleration feel sluggish and make throttle response feel slow. Third, heavy tires put more strain on your drivetrain, most notably your belt on a CVT-equipped side-by-side. A lighter weight tire allows you to put more of your side-by-side's horsepower to the ground more quickly and with less strain on your drivetrain. Now, more power to the ground with less abuse is always a good thing. The Regulator 2's tread pattern is based off that of the DSR, but has been specifically optimized for more all-terrain type applications. The tread elements themselves are slightly smaller than those found on the DSR, but have more biting edges, which means more traction. The largest center tread elements cross over the center line of the tire, which helps with puncture resistance, and these chevron-shaped grooves on the outermost edges of the tire help with cornering, braking, and accelerating performance. Even the small pockets in the outer surface of the shoulder tread elements have been specifically designed to both reduce weight and provide added traction in deeper, softer terrain. Overall tread depth is a deep 1830 seconds. Deeper tread means a considerably longer lifespan for the tire because there's more material. Today's high-performance side-by-sides can wear tires quickly, so having more tread material will mean more time between tire changes and, ultimately, less money spent on tires. One of the more unique visual aspects of the Regulator 2 are these ribs that are running along the outermost portion of the sidewall. These have been designed to reduce the chances of sidewall punctures in the area they're most common. The Regulator 2 is offered in 6 sizes for 2 different size rims, 28 and 30 by 10 for 14-inch rims, and 30, 32, 33, and 35 by 10 for 15-inch rims. These 33-inch Regulator 2s are wrapped around a set of beautiful 15-inch Method race wheels. Now, I have always said that big, high-performance vehicles like this one should have beadlock wheels, but Method actually has an alternative. Their exclusive bead grip technology provides much the same bead stability as a traditional beadlock, but with less parts and less weight. At first, I was skeptical, but after looking into it, I found that this technology is legit and has been proven at premier motorsports events like the Dakar Rally and the Baja 1000. After spending considerable time testing Tensor's Regulator 2 tires in all different types of conditions, I've come away with some observations. Tensor has made no claims that the Regulator 2 is a mud tire. That's because it's not. If you spend a lot of time in the mud, you may want a more aggressive lug pattern like Tensor's original Regulator. However, I am extremely impressed with the level of traction they provide on harder pack, higher speed conditions. Grip is excellent, cornering stability is impressive, and braking traction is strong. The lighter weight is immediately noticeable, and I think this combination of real-world benefits makes the Tensor Regulator 2 a tire worth looking at if you're looking to upgrade the traction on any high-performance side-by-side.